Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can implement bottom navigation bar in your Flutter app. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So here I have default app up and running in my mobile device. So let's create a new folder named screens inside lib directory, and let's quickly make a file named bottomnav demo.dat. Okay, and let me write some boilerplate code. Okay, so let me import the material package and let me create a stateful widget named bottomnav demo, and let me return scaffold, and let me make a app bar. Okay, let's give it a title text bottom navigation bar demo. So yeah, let me add a semicolon here, and let me change the home of this main.dot. Okay, let me change this to bottomnav demo. So here in the main.dot file, in this home property, change this my home page widget to bottomnav demo widget. Okay, now let me restart the app and let's see how it looks like. So here we have a simple screen having app bar. Okay, so let's quickly create a bottom navigation bar. So to add a bottom navigation bar, we have bottom navigation bar property of scaffold. So if you hover in the widget scaffold, here you can see widget bottom navigation bar. So let's create this. Okay, and here you just type bottom and the suggestion will appear. Click on this first suggestion and this will take any widget, but we are going to use bottom navigation bar widget. Okay, so you can use anything you like in the bottom navigation bar. Okay, so it is not compulsory to use this widget. So to implement the standard bottom navigation bar, we have to use this bottom navigation bar widget, and it requires the name parameter items. So let's provide the bottom navigation bar items. So inside this items property, if you hover in these items, it needs a list of bottom navigation bar item. Okay, so let's provide this bottom navigation bar item widget. Bottom navigation bar item. Okay, and if you hover again in this widget, then you can see the required widget icon and other optional widgets, label, active icon, background color. Okay, so let's provide the required icon. So let me add a home icon. Get icon, icons dot home, and let's provide this icon. Okay, this bottom navigation bar item or label. So label, and it accepts a string. So let me provide home, and we have to create at least 2 bottom navigation bar item. Okay, otherwise we'll get an error. So let me just copy this and paste, change some value. Okay, so be sure to add a comma here, as this is the list of bottom navigation bar items. So and here icons dot news, newspaper, okay, and the text goes news, and here I have to add a parenthesis and a comma. Fine. So let me hot reload this. As you can see here, we have two bottom icons at the bottom navigation, okay, and here you can see currently the home is selected, and we can see this news also. So let's add another one. Let me just paste this and change the so here alarm add icon, okay, and let me add a text random, okay. So let me reload again, and here we have another icon with the label random, okay. So here we have our bottom navigation bar item, but we haven't done anything if some user tap on these icons, okay. As you can see here, I am tapping here and nothing is happening. Yeah, you can see the pointer here whenever I tap. So let's show some dynamic screen on the basis of the tap, okay. So first of all, let me add the const keyword here, and it is good practice to use const keywords if the items inside this are never going to change, okay. Now uh, let's check the on tap property of this bottom navigation bar, okay. And here if you hover on this bottom navigation bar, you can see property on tap, and we have to provide a void function with one integer parameter, okay. So let's create this on tap, and okay, this function is not going to return anything, so by default it is void, and we have to provide one integer, okay. So let's name this index, and let me add middle braces, and don't forget to give a comma, and this index carries the index of the currently pressed item, okay. So if I pressed home, the index is 0. If I press the news, the index is 1, and if I press the random, the index is 3, okay. So let me prove by quickly adding a print statement here, okay. So be sure to check the debug console, okay. So let me hot restart the app. Okay, here the app is restarted successfully, and let me click on the home icon, okay. So here you can see the index of the currently pressed item, that is 0, okay. Let me press the news, and here you can see the index 1, okay. Let me click on random, and here you can see index 2, okay. So this index provides the index of currently selected items, and we can display the items in body, okay, widgets in body on the basis of this clicked index, okay. So let me show you quickly how you can do this. So I will create a new variable to keep track of currently selected item, okay. So let me make a new integer selected index, okay. Okay, by default nothing is selected, means the home is selected, okay. So by default the selected index is 0, and once the user tap in any other buttons, I will change the state and provide this selected index or index that user have chosen, okay. So here in the on tap function, so where we have on tap function, okay, right here, and I will set state, okay, set state, and provide this index to this selected index variable, okay. and we can show the items in body on the basis of this selected index. Selected index is equals to index. So now this selected index carry the value 1 if I tap on this news button. Okay, so let me print this also after tapping a button. Okay, the selected index is actually selected index. Okay, let me show you quickly. Let me hot reload. Okay, I think this is going to work, and if I click on news, then this selected index must have the value 1. Okay, so as you can see here, the selected index is 1. Okay, now let me make a new list, that new list of widgets. Okay, so that we can show those widgets on the basis of index in the body of our scaffold. So let me make a new list of widget, okay, screens, and here I have GitHub Copilot enabled, and this suggested me this simple code. This contains 3 widgets, 3 center widgets, and having text screen 1, screen 2, screen 3 in the child respectively. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, we have nothing here, just list of widget, and its name is screens, and here we have 3 widgets. Okay, this one is center widget having text screen 1, another center widget having text screen 2, and so on. Okay, so in the body of scaffold, okay, so let me scroll down, and after this app bar, in the body of this scaffold, you can provide the widget from this list. Okay, and we can choose which widget to show with the help of this selected index value. So by default its value is 0, and if user do not tap in any button, the screen 1 is shown. Okay, so let me show you our variable name. Okay, here, okay, screens and selected index. Okay, and here we have an error, the argument type int what cannot be assigned to the parameter type int. Okay, so we have to add null check operator. Okay, sorry, actually here, okay, now this must work fine. So let me restart the app again. I don't think this is not necessary. Okay, but for the sake of convenience, I'm doing this, and as you can see here, the screen 1 is shown here in the body of this scaffold, and currently this home is selected. That means the first item of bottom navigation bar is selected, and we are showing this screen 1 according to the index that is currently selected. Okay, so let me click on news, and the screen 2 must be shown here in the body. Okay, so as you can see here, screen 2 is shown, and similarly for this random, screen 3 is shown. So you can dynamically change all these widgets, okay, according to your need, but for the demonstration purpose I have simply center widget. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.